We have created our course based on the Kaplan study book. You have exactly the same amount of chapters. Each chapter is assigned to a specific part, as you can see here. Each chapter features a video or videos, depending on the complexity of each topic. Each video lasts between 15 to 30 minutes, which is an optimal length to keep your attention and keep you engaged. You will also have a PDF with a summary of each chapter. We've summarized here the Kaplan study book, and we've added additional explanations whenever it was needed. Let's not forget that you are not alone. You will get access to our tutor-monitored Facebook forum, where you can ask your peers or your tutors any questions you need help with. At the end of each chapter, you will be able to attempt 5 to 8 end-of-the-chapter questions to make sure you really understand the theory. At this stage, if you require more practice, you'll have access to our flagship online practice kit with 500 questions and answers. Over there, you can practice questions by chapters, by parts, or simply do our mock exams. You can always attempt those questions after you complete the course theory. It's completely up to you. Our tutor is, without doubt, one of the best CIMA tutors worldwide. Yes, those are big words, but what backs them up? He's British, he works with and writes for CIMA, he's been a director at BPP for 9 years, not to mention his long and successful career in the Big Four. He has moved away from the corporate world, and right now he does exactly what he loves, which is teaching students. Just have a look yourself at those 2 snippets.
Then in paper P3, this is the slightly more pessimistic paper, shall we say. It considers what might go wrong while we're executing our strategy and how can we stop those kind of things from happening. It covers risk management best practice, but it also covers some numbers as well. The numbers involve risk and investment appraisal, but also the numbers on hedging. So we've got interest rate hedging and foreign exchange hedging that we're going to be talking through the numbers on. Hello and welcome back to chapter 14, our penultimate chapter and our last sort of numbers chapter as well at that. We're looking here at assumed knowledge for a reasonable chunk of the chapter. We're going to have a look now at some of the more risk-orientated ideas. So first of all, sensitivity analysis is looking at how wrong we could be before it turns out we've made a mistake. And if the answer is we could have been very wrong, then we're not very sensitive to that particular idea. So what we do is we look at a variable at a time and say, if this number was a bit bigger, would that affect our decision? If the answer is no, we might say, if it was a lot bigger, would it affect our decision? If the answer is still no, we'd say, well, we don't really care what that number is then. We're not sensitive to it. So we work out how much it needs to change before our NPV flips over the 0 point. That's when our decision would change.